Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel. SRINIVAS THALAKOKULA. Solutions Part 6. The spontaneous flow of a solvent through a semi-permeability membrane from the pure solvent. The solution is a osmotic Ca3PO4 taken twice, calcium phosphate and cupric ferrocyanide Cu2FeCN taken 6. Osmotic pressure PO and OP osmotic pressure denoted by pi. The hydrostatic pure developed on the aqueous dilute solution at the equilibrium state due to the inflow of water when the solution is separated from the water by a semi-permeability membrane is known as osmotic pressure. Vanta's factor Charles law pi is proportional to T. T is Kelvin's scale from n moles. Pi V is equals to nRT. N is equals to A by M. Pi V is equals to A by M in this equation. N is equals to N, substitute in this equation. Pi V is equals to A by M RT. Reverse osmotic pressure when when pressure greater than that of osmotic pressure. Pressure is greater than of osmotic pressure is applied on a solution side. Then solvent from the solution flows in the pure solvent is known as reversible osmotic pressure. It used in the desanitation of seawater, and formula pi V is equals to NST. Colligative properties. Abnormal masses. Colligative properties by dilute solution which obeys the Rawls law. Ideal solution which does not obey the Rawls law is a non-ideal solution. Ideal solutions intermoleculars from in a solution or negligible. Non-ideal solution show derivation in colligative properties and molar mass of a solute or inversely proportional. Colligative properties is inversely proportional to the molar mass of a solute. Okay, next, Vanta's factor introduced a factor I in equation to equalize the experimental value and calculated value. Osmotic pressure pi equation is pi V is equals to RT calculated. Experimental pi V is equals to IRT experimental. Pi experimental by pi calculated is equals to I is equals to observed osmotic pressure by calculated osmotic pressure. Degree of ionization 1 plus n minus 1 alpha pi n minus 1 alpha. Next, total number of particle total n alpha is equals to association. Total number of dissociations 1 minus alpha plus n alpha is equals to 1 plus n minus 1 n common. I is equals to number of particles after dissociation by number of particles before dissociation. Alpha is equals to I minus 1 by n minus 1. Alpha association is equals to I minus 1 and 1 by n minus 1. Alpha association is equals to 1 minus I by 1 minus 1. This or this. Okay, these formulas are main important formulas. Here electrolytic solutions undergoes in the aqueous solution. As a result, number of particles in the solution increases with increases in the properties, colligative properties. For example, there are so many problems in our book. You will try to solve all the problems with these formulas: dissociation, colligative properties, Vanta's factors, molarity, formality, normalities. Okay, next, osmotic Rawls law and ideal solution, non-ideal solutions, Dalton's law, Henry's law, all based on this types of solutions and all other Here we see some of the problems in this book. An electrolyte XY2 is 40 ionized. Calculate the Vanta factor. Vanta factor definition. Once you recall Vanta factor definition, XY2 is equals to X plus 2 X plus 2 charge plus 2 and 2 minus 2y minus n is equals to 3. This one n is equals to number of atoms, this 2, this 1, 3. I is equals to Vanta factor formula. I is equals to 1 plus alpha n minus 1. I is equals to 1 plus alpha value 0.4 and n is equals to 3 minus 1, this 2. Calculate this 0. Minus 4. Okay, once wait. 0. Minus 4. 0. Minus 4 into 0.2. Here 0. I is equals to 1 plus 0.4 into 3 minus 2. 0.8. 1 plus 0.8. I is equals to 1.8. This is the answer. Next, if potassium ferrocyanide means K4. Yeah, here there is formula. K4 FeCN taken power 6 gives 4K plus 4. This 4K plus comes here. Next, Fe cyanide taken 6 minus 4. This is a formula. N is equals to 5. N number is equals to 5. Number of molecules is equals to 5. I is equals to, this is the Vanta's factor formula. You must remember this 1 plus alpha value 0.8. 80%. 80% means 80 by 100. 0.8. 5. N means 5. 5 minus 1. Here I will calculate 1 plus 0.8 into 4. 1 plus 3.2. That is equals to 4.2. Yeah. Here it is the answer. Next, a substance from the dimer in solution is extracted 75%. Calculate the Vanta factor. N is equals to 1 by 2. Alpha is equals to 0.75. I is equals to 1 by 1 plus alpha whole power 1 by n minus 1. Formula I is equals to 1 plus this 75 by 100. 0.75 into 1. 1.75. This is the final I value. I is equals to experimental value. Next, what is the degree of dissociation? CaNO3 taken twice the solution if a Vanta factor is this much. Here they are given Vanta factor value and degree of dissociation. CaNO3 taken twice, Ca plus 2 and 2NO3 minus. N value is equals to 3. Alpha, this is the formula. Alpha is equals to I minus 1, N minus 1. I value Vanta factor value 2.4 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. 1.4 by 2. Calculate 2 ones are 2 sevens are 0.7. Then here it is alpha degree of dissociation is equals to 0.7. Yeah, you must do like these problems about all these problems. You must try to do at least 10 similar problems, and you each formula 3 problems you must do in molarity, normality, etc. for use it for JEE Mains and Eamcet also. Please or you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel SRINIVAS THALAKOKULA.